Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says if del is equal to this, then find the value of del. Okay, we have to calculate this delta. Now, look at this. You know that it is combination of so many things, but I feel that it is nothing but the product of two determinants because we don't know the value of these arbitrary constants, means alpha, beta, gamma, delta. We don't know who are they. Correct? Now, what I feel na, it is combination of two things. Just because of these three-person, no, these not three, because of this four-person and this fifth person. I feel that it is combination of two person. Okay? So look at this how I will break down this thing. So what is this? This is 2 into 2. The name of this element is what? A22 means second row with second row. Now look at this. This is alpha beta, alpha plus beta multiplied with gamma plus delta, and it is 2 times. So can I write alpha plus beta and gamma plus delta? So can I say that the first person is alpha plus beta? I will stretch it out. Okay, so first person is alpha plus beta. So here first person will be what? Gamma plus delta. Okay, now here you are done with this person. Now look at this person. Here also you can place alpha plus beta, and here you can place gamma plus delta, and remaining thing you don't know. So what I will do, I will place anything over here and I will place a 0 over here. Is it okay? Okay, so this is what I did in initial stage. If required, I will modify it again. Now look at this. Now I want what? I want this one. So this is A 2 3. So second will be multiplied with third. So you have alpha beta. What we should multiply with? Alpha plus beta. Here is alpha plus beta. So here it is gamma delta. Correct? And here also it is alpha beta, and here we don't have influence of the alpha plus beta. So we are doing it wrong way. You got my point? But you know that the question is correct and we have to solve this question at any cost. So still just come back to the original place, means over here. It was what? Alpha plus beta and then gamma plus delta plus alpha plus beta gamma plus delta. So what I will do, I will give alpha plus beta to this person and gamma plus delta to this person, and this thing is something. Now if this is alpha plus beta, I will place gamma plus delta over here. If this is gamma plus delta, it is alpha plus beta over here. You got my point? And if this is something, I will assume that to be 0. I hope this thing is clear. Now let's check whether this thing is correct or wrong. Now this is what? A 2 3. So second row, third row. Now look at this. With alpha plus beta, you wish to have gamma delta. Okay, so can I place gamma delta over here? And with gamma plus delta, you wish to have alpha beta, and here is something, but you don't want anything, so put 0. This is okay, yes or no? Okay. Now, now look at this. Who is this person? This is a 2 1, means second row with first row. Now look at this. With alpha beta, you want what? No one. But you want alpha plus beta. So can I place 1 over here? With gamma plus delta, you don't want anyone. So can I place 1 over here as well? With this person, you don't want anything. Can I place 0 over here? So this is correct or wrong? This is correct. Now look at this. This is 2. So I can write this thing as what we should multiply with 1. Like you can go with this idea as like, can I place 1 over here so that 1 into 1 will become 1? You can also say that, sir, I can place 2 as well. But in that case, this has to be 0. But for time being, suppose it is 1. So 1 into 1 plus 1. And here we will have something. Okay. Now look at this. This is what? 3 1. A 3 1 means third with 1. So with 1 you wish to have what? Alpha beta. With 1 you wish to have what? Gamma delta. And then something times 0. You got my point? So you split everything into product of two determinants. Now, you know that determinant of this thing is 0 because all the elements of this column is 0, hence it is 0. Therefore, the correct answer becomes what? 0. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.